We'll be starting with Gandhi-Irwin Pact in this video. Now, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, the main purpose of Gandhi-Irwin Pact was to make the participation of Congress easier in the Round Table Conference. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact included invitation to Congress to participate in the Round Table Conference, withdrawal of ordinances promulgated in connection with the civil disobedience movement, release of only those prisoners who were not charged with violence. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 5th of March 1931. The second Round Table Conference in London was held in the backdrop of Irwin Gandhi Pact. The role of mediator in Gandhi Irwin Pact was played by Tej Bahadur Shapru. She called Irwin and Gandhi the two Mahatmas. She is Sarojini Naidu here. He took Mahatma Gandhi's gain in Gandhi Irwin Pact as consolation prize. Answer is Alan Campbell Johnson. Now, moving on to the Karachi session of Congress of 1931 and Round Table Conferences, the correct chronological order of the following events connected with India's struggle for independence are Gandhi Irwin Pact, then is the execution of Bhagat Singh, then is the Karachi session of INC, and then is the second Round Table Conference. Now, correct chronological sequence is Gandhi Irwin Pact, execution of Rajguru, Karachi session of INC, and then Pune Pact, finally Pune Pact. Now, among Maulana Muhammad Ali, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, and Jawaharlal Nehru, which Indian leader attended the first Roundtable Conference? Answer is Maulana Muhammad Ali. The correct statement about first Roundtable Conference are: it was held in 1930. It was to discuss the report of Simon Commission. It was held in London. Christians were represented in the first Roundtable Conference by Katie Paul. First Round Table Conference of Indian leaders was summoned in London by the British government in 1930. Among Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Madan Mohan Malviya, and Maulana Azad, who participated in the second Round Table Conference, answer is Gandhi, Malviya, and Azad. He did not participate in second Round Table Conference. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Among M.K. Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who did not participate in second round table conference. Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He represented Congress in the second round table conference. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Now there's an assertion and a reasoning. The assertion is false, but the reasoning is true. Jawaharlal Nehru represented the Indian National Congress in the second round table conference in 1932, and it is false because Gandhiji represented. Now, it was implicit in Gandhi Irwin Pact of 1931 that INC will participate in the second roundtable conference in 1931. Gandhi attended this roundtable conference. Answer is only the second. Mahatma Gandhi stayed at this place in London during the second roundtable conference. Answer is Kingsley Hall. Gandhi left Bombay for London for the second roundtable conference aboard the ship SS Rajputana. Congress representative participated in roundtable conference for the first time in the second roundtable conference, and the representative was Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in December 1931 empty-handed from London. Second roundtable conference failed on the issue of communal delegations. Indian who participated in all three roundtable conferences B.R. Ambedkar. It would be incorrect to refer meeting of Indian and British political leaders during 1930 and 32 in London as first, second, and third roundtable conferences because it was an instance of a conference held in three sessions and not that of three separate conferences. Roundtable conference that was held in 1932, it is third. Indian National Congress did not participate in the first and third roundtable conference. Following are the correct statement. In the first roundtable conference, Dr. Ambedkar demanded separate electorates for the depressed classes. In Pune Pact, special provision for representation of depressed people in the local bodies and civil services was made. The Indian National Congress did not take part in the third roundtable conference and also the first roundtable conference. Now, moving on to the communal awards and Pune Pact of 1932, the one who issued the communal award was Ramsay MacDonald, A separate electoral group was made by Communal Tribunal of Ramsay MacDonald first time in August 1932 was for untouchables. Assertion the British government announced the Communal Award in August 1932. Reasoning is it allowed to each minority a number of seats in legislature to be elected on the basis of a separate electorate. Both A and assertion and reasoning are true, and reasoning is the correct explanation of the assertion. The separate electorate and reserved seats by communal awards of MacDonald are allocated to Muslims, depressed classes, and Sikhs. Mahatma Gandhi started first fast onto death at the time of communal award. Mahatma Gandhi undertook fast onto death in 1932 mainly because Ramsay MacDonald announced the communal awards. The seat that were given to depressed classes under the communal award and Pune Pact are 71 and 147 respectively. The Pune Pact was concerned with depressed classes. The purpose of Pune Pact was to provide representation to untouchables. Now, assertion is the Pune Pact defeated the purpose of communal award. True. It paved the way for reservation of seats in the parliament and state assemblies for SC and ST peoples. That is also true. Both assertion and reasoning are true, and the reasoning is the correct explanation of A. Now, Dr. Ambedkar and Gandhiji had a pact called Pune Pact. In August 1932, the British government announced the Communal Award. Under this, certain seats were reserved for minority community in the legislature, for which members were elected from separate electorates. A and R both are correct, and reasoning is the correct explanation of assertion. Now, Pune Pact was signed after Gandhiji's fast onto that against communal awards. The Pune Pact was signed on September 24, 1932. This agreement was signed by Gandhiji's supporters and Ambedkar. Gandhiji did not sign it. Now, after Pune Pact of 1932, Harijan Sevak Sangh was established. Its president was Ghansh- Ghanshyam Das Birla. Now, the first president of All India Anti-Untouchability League, later changed to Harijan Sevak Samaj, was GD Birla, that is Ghanshyam Das Birla. All India Depressed Class League was established by Babu Jagjeevan Ram. The former name of Harijan Sevak Sangh was All India Anti-Untouchability League. Harijan Sevak Sangh was organized by Mahatma Gandhi. All India Scheduled Caste Federation was founded by B.R. Ambedkar in 1942. Out of the given options, namely B.R. Ambedkar, Madan Mohan Malviya, C. Rajgopalachari, MKG, who did not sign on the Pune Pact? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi did not sign the Pune Pact. The one who said Mahatma Gandhi, like a fleeting phantom, raises dust but not the level, is B.R. Ambedkar. That'll be all for this video. We'll be starting with Congress Socialist Party in the next video.